Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can get Tinder monthly coupon codes. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, go to any browser from this time run. We are going to use our Safari, which is right here. Type in Tinder promo code 2023 and go to the website. Just as here is the first website. When you type in Tinder promo code right here, it's called page.com, and if you tap into this website just right here, it will automatically take you to Tinder promo code deals. And if you tap on get deal right here, it will have to take you to your Tinder app. If you don't have the Tinder app, it will take you to the Tinder website, whereby you will to log in, and it will automatically give you the promo discount. As they see right here, as you scroll down, you can see they have coupon codes, best discount of 50% off, and then they will also have to offer right here as what you can as well save if you use this promo code. And if we go ahead and tap into this option of get deal right here, it will simply take you to the Tinder app or website. So as you can see, if you go ahead and fill in this option right here and you enter into your Tinder account, then your payment page on Tinder, you have to double check down and make sure the discount is applied. As it was said before making any purchases, this is how you can simply get coupon codes on Tinder. So thanks for watching this video.